Hi, good day, Sir and Madam. I am Mary Ann Forvelo. I have two children. I'm 37 years old. I have one boy and one daughter. I was working before in Kuwait and Qatar and Bahrain.
Okay. For how many years did you work in Qatar?
2 years and 1 month.
How about in Bahrain?
2 years, sorry.
And in Kuwait?
2 years and 8 months.
Okay, very good. So you have varied work experience in the Middle East for several employers, okay? Are they all Muslims?
Yeah, almost.
All Muslims, okay. In Qatar, how many are they in the family?
Only 2 because only the mother and the son.
How old is the son?
The son is 45 when I was there. The policeman.
Okay, so grown up already.
Maybe he's 10, 15 now, something
Okay.
like that.
How about in Bahrain? How many are they in the family?
Only 2 also.
2 also.
As daughter and the mother.
Okay. So how old is the daughter?
The daughter 52
Okay, so grown up.
and the mother 71.
Okay. So the mother is healthy?
Yes, but she's diabetic.
Diabetic.
Yeah.
So you also assist her,
Yeah.
giving her the medicines?
Yeah, I give to her a medicine and take her for her to go to shower
Okay.
and like that. And
Also, mainly your work for them is to take care of the old woman.
yeah, and also cleaning.
Cleaning, of course, the household chores.
Yes.
Okay, so that's in Bahrain.
Yeah.
How about in Kuwait? How many years did you work there?
2 years and 8 months?
2 years and 8 months. How many are they in the family?
Only 2.
Only 2 also. Is it the mother again and the daughter?
Mother and son.
Mother and son this time. So how old is the son?
The son is 45 like that.
Okay, so all of them all adults
Yeah.
already.
But we are 3 servants there.
3 servants,
Yeah,
but only
because
2
the house-
employers.
Yeah, because the house very big and if what's this holiday, all the children of my employers, the mother, they come in the
They come and
house,
visit
yeah,
and-
visit, yeah, so that the old children are there. Also,
Okay.
I assist them.
Okay, so you serve them all,
Yeah.
all 3 of you
Yeah.
servants. Okay, very good. So do they have a car?
Yeah,
The employers?
Yeah.
And who is the one who cleans the car?
If the driver is not there, they take a holiday. I was the one.
You're the one who cleans the
Yeah.
car. So if in Hong Kong, can you do the same?
Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. You're married, single?
I'm the separated now.
Separated.
Yeah.
So you live with your parents?
Yeah.
And with your children?
Yes.
How
ma'am.
many children do you have?
I had 2 children.
2 children.
Yeah.
So who will look after your children?
My mother.
Oh yeah?
And
How old by the way are your children?
My daughter 16 years old and my son 5 years old, going to 6 years old.
Okay, so only 5. The youngest is 5.
Yeah.
So your mother will be the one to take care. How
Yes,
old is your
ma'am.
mother?
61.
She can still handle to take care of your son?
Yeah, because sometimes I have a sister. She don't have what's this.
A
She's
word.
a single.
Okay.
Until now, she's a single. She helped also to my mother.
Okay, that's good.
So that
Okay. Are you confident enough to look after a baby?
yes, I can.
You can. Are you willing to sleep with the baby during
Yes,
the
I
night?
can.
Very good. Okay. So, can you do errands like going to the market?
Yes, I can.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I can, ma'am. But I know how to cook only Philippine food, and now I learn how to cook Arabic food.
foods. Okay. How about if you're asked to cook some Chinese foods from a cookbook? Do you think you can follow?
Yeah, I can. Madam.
Okay, very good. What are the household appliances that you can operate?
Like vacuum, flat iron, and also the what's this? washing machine, and etc. ma'am.
Okay. Can you do the laundry by hands?
Yeah, I can.
Can you look after some pets?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not afraid of dogs?
No,
How
ma'am.
about cats?
No, ma'am.
Very good. How is your health?
Thanks God, I'm healthy.
Okay, very good. Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation recently?
No, ma'am.
Very good. Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take your day off during weekday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing not to take your day off but will be paid instead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
If my employer select me, I will stay here a long time.
Okay, very good. So that means you're willing
Extend.
to extend your contract.
Yes.
Okay. As a closing, what can you promise to your future employer?
To my employer, I want to be promised to you that I will be a good servant to you, and I will follow what your rules and regulation, and I will be honest, and to your children, I will be a good servant to them.
Very good. So in Hong Kong, we have to follow the rules and regulations. Okay, so good luck.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay.